Here are 5 products that you can use to repair damaged skin. What's up, Vanity Friends? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, my name is MJ Garcia Perez, and I create videos about skincare and lifestyle, and if that is something that interests you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. In today's video, let's talk about on how you can repair damaged skin. Alam nyo ba, ang dami kong napapansin sa community group natin sa Facebook na #VanityFriends. Ang dami nagtatanong dyan kung paano ba nila mare-repair yung kanilang skin na na-damage dahil sa paggamit ng mga harsh na products. At nakaka-relate ako sa inyo guys kasi bilang isang content creator, I really have to try different skincare products para may ma-share ako sa inyong review. At alam nyo naman guys, kahit madami ako sa inyong nasi-share na recommendations, may mga products pa rin talaga na hindi ako nahihiyang na nagkakos ng pagka-damage ng aking skin. Don't worry guys, because today, i-share ko po sa inyo itong 5 products na personally nasubukan ko na talaga namang effective para makapag-repair po ng ating skin. So first, we have to cleanse our skin, and here I'm using the Skintific Amino Acid Ultra Gentle Cleansing Mousse. What I really like about this product is sobrang gentle niya talaga sa ating skin. It won't suck out the natural moisture of our skin. It has amino acids with micromolecules guys na nakapag-penetrate talaga sa ating pores para talaga gently ma-cleanse niya yung ating face. It also contains natural ingredients para talaga makip na healthy yung ating skin barrier. It has 5 times ceramides guys na nakapagpa-strengthen po ng ating skin barrier. At meron din siyang white truffle para ma-lock in po yung moisture sa ating skin at mapanatili niya itong malambot. It is so gentle you guys, yet it cleanses really well. It is formulated without alcohol, parabens, mineral oils, and sulfates. Plus, it is vegan and cruelty-free. So after natin ma-cleanse yung ating face, meron na tayong perfect canvas para i-apply yung mga next skincare steps natin. So here, I'm using the Skintific 5 times Ceramides Soothing Toner. Ang gustong-gusto ko sa toner na to guys is instantly nasusuit niya talaga yung aking skin, nawawala niya yung redness ng balat ko at na-hydrate niya ito. And yes, meron din po siyang 5 times ceramides which is na-mention ko na sa inyo yung benefit niya sa ating skin. And bukod pa dun guys, meron din siyang complex probiotic na nakakapag-increase po ng skin microbiome cells natin para ma-reduce yung mga skin issues. At meron din siyang calendula guys, napakagandang active ingredients because mayaman po ito sa anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Same with the cleanser, it is alcohol, paraben, mineral oil, and cruelty-free. Yung feeling ng skin ko after kong gamitin yung toner na to, mafe-feel mo talaga na malumambot siya agad, na wala yung redness, feeling hydrated at moisturized talaga yung skin. So after natin matone yung ating face, mas maganda na yung magiging absorption ng mga next skincare steps na gagawin natin. Now we're gonna apply the 5 times Ceramide Barrier Serum from Skintific. Of course, it also contains 5 different types of ceramides para ma-maintain at ma-restore po yung ating skin barrier. It also contains BFL probiotics para ma-prevent po yung inflammation ng ating skin. At meron din siyang Centella asiatica which is one of my favorite ingredients guys because it is soothing, healing din po siya sa ating skin. Itong serum pa lang nila guys, nakaka-moisturize na talaga ng skin. Napakaganda niya sa pakiramdam. Walang heaviness, walang stickiness, walang irritation akong nai-experience whenever I'm using this serum. After natin mag-serum, it's time naman para i-seal in natin yung mga magagandang active ingredients na in-apply natin sa balat natin at para ma-moisturize na rin po yung ating skin. So here, I'm using the Skintific 5 times Ceramide Barrier Repair Moisture Gel. Alam nyo ba, ito yung unang-unang product na na-try ko from the brand Skintific. And from then, super na-in-love na talaga ako sa moisturizer na to because it is so lightweight you guys. Ito sa mga moisturizer na napakasarap sa pakiramdam kasi wala kang mararamdaman na stickiness or heaviness at all. Ang refreshing niya sa balat, so magugustuhan mo siya, especially kung mayroon kang oily skin, bagay na bagay sa'yo to. Alam nyo, I consider this as one of my holy grail moisturizers kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga, I swear. Of course, meron din po siyang 5 different types of ceramides na nakakapag-repair ng ating skin barrier, nakakapag-moisturize ng ating skin, at nasusut nga po niya yung damaged skin natin. It has Centella asiatica and marine collagen to deeply hydrate our skin. It is overflowing with amazing ingredients guys para talaga ma-hydrate, ma-soothe, ma-repair at ma-moisturize yung balat natin. It has gel-like texture guys, so perfect siya kung meron kayong sensitive and oily skin. Katulad ko, I have oily combination skin. May mga areas ng face ko na super dry talaga and yung T-zone ko ang oily niya talaga. It does the job guys, talagang yung mga dry patches ko na mo-moisturize niya without that sticky and heavy feeling na ayokong ayoko sa mga moisturizer. You should definitely try this product. I have been recommending it guys simula nung matry ko siya. Actually, nagawan ko rin siya ng video sa aking TikTok account. So, check nyo na lang din yung review ko. Pero guys, I'm telling you, this is so good. And lastly guys, we have to protect our skin from harmful UV rays ng sun. So here, I'm using the Skintific All Day Light Sunscreen Mist with SPF 50 PA+++++. Sobrang cool nito guys kasi ang fine ng mist na napoprovide niya, hindi siya nagbubuo-buo sa face. Wala siyang trace ng parang nag-apply ka ng sunscreen. Invisible talaga siya. It does not feel heavy on the skin. Plus meron siyang slight cooling effect. And yes, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, ang taas ng sun protection niya. It contains SPF 50 PA++++, which is enough para maprotektahan po yung skin natin sa harmful UV rays ng sun. At bukod pa doon, meron din po siya mga active ingredients na beneficial for our skin. It has UV pearls, meron din siyang 5 times ceramides at Centella asiatica. Plus, this product is alcohol, fragrance, and paraben-free. So there you have it guys. I can vouch na itong mga products ng Skintific is talagang effective at nag-work sila para ma-repair talaga yung ating skin barrier. Nasubukan ko sila personally, tried and tested ko sila. Most especially guys, the moisturizer, sobrang ganda. You should try it. Actually, the whole line maganda sila. Gentle for our skin at meant talaga sila para ma-soothe at ma-repair po yung ating skin barrier. If you want to check these products out, which I highly recommend you try them, lalagay ko na lang po yung link nila sa description box because they're available sa Shopee at sa TikTok. I hope you enjoyed our video for today. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media channels, all at MJ Garcia Perez. At mag-join na rin po kayo sa ating private group sa Facebook, #VanityFriends. It's a community ng mga mahilig sa skincare and makeup. And so far, meron na po tayong 148,000 members. Ang babait po ng mga members natin dyan. Pwede kayong mag-post ng questions ninyo. Pwede rin kayong mag-share ng mga skincare reviews ninyo, skincare routine, mga tips. Kasi ang dami talagang natutulungan ng group natin na yan. Maraming salamat my Vanity Friends. God bless always, and as usual, you guys are really awesome. Bye!